Hi guys, can you do me a massive favor? Can you do me a big favor? Can you follow me on Instagram, Jamaica_worst_gamer? We're trying to grow the Instagram also. So please give me a follow on Instagram. Link will be in the description also. Run the intro. Pew.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming here with another reaction. Today here with Nigy Boy and Simpac with one more. It's a music video. This one just dropped, so I'm just gonna do a reaction quickly before it reach 1 million. Let's jump in this one and see what Father Blinds have to say. Big up yourself. Simpac, big up yourself also. Let's go.
Here we go again and again.
Here we go again. Video clean.
And we go again and again.
Video just keep getting better, bro.
Alright, you good, so good, extraordinary. What a tempo when I
Pull up.
Here we go again and again. And we go again and again. Alright, you good, so good, extraordinary. What a temple when I enter. Pure showers of blessings, divinity when you open up like a greater than sign La Gloria. You can give it to me once alone, baby, please. Can we go one more round? Let's do
Yo, Nigy Boy in I'm lane. I go full speed. No rain now fall. No breeze now blow. The boss just a cruise in I'm lane. Yeah, in my cruise. Dog. Salute.
again and again.
Salute Daddy Blinds. And the reason why I call him Daddy Blinds because him call himself Father Blinds. So him not find nothing wrong with it. So if he not find nothing wrong with it, nothing wrong with it. Big up yourself, Nigy Boy. He's confident.
And we go again and again. Alright,
Yeah.
you
You're
good, so good, extraordinary.
Yeah.
What a temple when I enter. Pure showers of blessings,
Yeah.
divinity when you open up like a greater than sign La Gloria. You can give it to me once alone, baby, please. Can we go one more round? Let's do it again, girl. I know the way you sound.
Yo, the boss, if can I go one more? He's asking her. Him not telling him I ask her. He's polite. He's a polite gentleman. Baby, we can go one more round. Yes, polite.
Let's do it again, girl. Can we go one more round? Let's do it again, girl. I know the way you sound. Melodies from heaven. Can we go one more round? Till we get
When him say one more round, I no boxing him attack. Take off my glasses, cause I no found nothing about boxing. I no boxing the G attack.
from heaven. Can we go one more round? Till we can't go no more.
Yeah.
From the bed to the floor. Let's go again and again. Take off, breathe us, drink some water and cool down.
Wow.
Kiss you tenderly, baby, wrap your arms around.
Yo, it's so
From the bed to the
he's from the first song on the Russian rhythm till now, you can see the confidence grow, bro. You can literally see it on screen. Him confidence just different, you know.
floor. Let's go again and again. Take off, breathe us, drink some water and cool down. Kiss you tenderly, baby, wrap your arms around. Sink your fingers into my flesh. Whenever you start to feel the weight of me and your organs, legs are shake under some sweet girl. Can we go one more round? Let's do it again, girl. I know the way you sound. Melodies from heaven. Can we go one more round? Till we can't go no more. From the bed to the floor.
Wow.
Let's go
Crazy.
again and again.
You find a one girl now and you sing to her like this. So on to the continental boss. On to that. On to that. Nigy, what you do?
I've never
Nigy.
felt
One
love like
catch
this until I met you, darling. You're the stuff that dreams are made of. Woman, you know her in here, you are alien. And if you're not careful, me pull your hair off. Now Jupiter body, they have me a space out. Feel some type of here we go one more round. Let's do it again, girl. Another way you sound.
Yeah.
Melodies from heaven. Can we go one more round? Till we can't go no more. From the bed to the floor. Let's go again and again. What a symphony when you sing for me. What a symphony. Ooh la la la. What a symphony.
What a symphony
when you sing for me.
Yeah.
Baby, let's go another round. Can we go one more round? Let's do it again, girl. Another way you sound. Melodies from heaven. Can we go one more round? Till we can't go no more. From the bed to the floor. Let's go again and again.
Yo, Simpac, big up yourself. The rhythm is crazy. Who shoot the video? Who shoot the video? Directed by Simpac though, but who shoot the video? Simpac Music. Yo, can I see? Can I have a look to see who shoot the video? I just want to give that person a personal. Directed by Simpac. Simpac. So, Simpac them do everything. Simpac, big up on yourself. Simpac, big up on yourself. Yo, this sick. Nigy boy, like, wagwan, bro. Wagwan down. You can see the growth, bro. Me love it. What can I say? For me, if I was to choose one artist, who are going good consistently in a 2024 so far is Nigy. Definitely, hands down, Nigy. No joke. So yeah, big up yourself, Nigy. Dr. Love, big up yourself too as a manager doing the right thing for me. You see me? Yeah, big up yourself, my bro. Simpac, like I said, big up. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. This is crazy. Ladies, check out that one. What about?
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a record.